Baldy, by the way. Reverse. He's gone to that reverse a lot. Milan not successful that time. Prefer it this way round. I know we've spoken about Butler and how destructive he can be, but the left arm is spinning it away from the right-hander. Up front the other day he bowled to Butler and Butler smashed him for 16, but that was with a new white ball that skidded on. Here he's got to show a bit of flight and deception.
Yep. I reckon Finch will go into slip too, Aaron Finch. Yep, he's going into slip. But he's still trying to take wickets. If Butler wants to run down the ground and smack it over his head, so be it. He's setting a field for a good ball.
What a shot. Not playing against the spin if you're playing reverse sweeps. That is just brilliant. Hit with the spin offside somehow.
Yeah, and sometimes as a bowler, no matter what the situation is, sometimes you just dip your hat and say, you know what, too good. When someone's playing these reverse sweepers, it's really important not to get too quick. Don't get too fast, because that means they can use the pace. You actually want to get slower. Yes, that opens up maybe a slog sweep for 6, but it also might cause a mistake.
That's a good point. The natural reaction is to bowl the dart. Fine, York. In fact, Agar did it there. He just went slower. A bit of pace off. Smart batting, boundary, then single. To you, David Milan.
Here you go, Larry.
Mid off, long on and long off a wide. Noticed that today. Trend is to get him wide and cover the more the mid-wicket area. So the big hit straight down the ground if he wants.
I think Zampa needs to be on. Can have another crack down this end, but I reckon you've got to get Zampa back into the attack. But to me, he's the guy who's going to get the wicket.